The next 5 manhwas that I am going to tell you are one of the best mind-blowing manhwas which I have ever read, and you are gonna love it. So read them no matter what. And I am warning you that these manhwa will have 150 plus chapters, so you will get addicted to them. And if some pro weebs are sitting here, then comment below that which part should I include in the next part of this video. So let's get started. In this manhwa, there is a world in which god's tombs are appearing, in which there are super powerful relics hidden in it. Our MC is the main character who died in the tomb from betrayal from someone, and now he has reincarnated into the past with all of his knowledge, and now he knows that which tomb is gonna appear when and where, and how he takes his revenge from that person. Our MC is very badass, and that makes the manhwa funny too, so a must read manhwa. Number 4, it comes Lookism with 420 plus chapter. This manhwa is very popular in university and college students because they can relate to it. Our MC is Daniel Park, who is a big ugly fatso, and everybody teases him to his extents, and that's why his poor mother transfers him to another school. And when he wakes up in his new apartment, he was in the body of a super cool model which was attracting the eye of everyone. And whenever he sleeps, he got transferred into another body, and that's why technically he's 24 hours conscious. And with a handsome body, he experiences the world in a way he never sees before. And he always mistakenly get involved into a fight and ended by a win. This manhwa is based on emotions, so if you can connect to it, then you will be able to hook to it. So check it out if you like high school manhwas. On number 3, it comes The Beginning After the End. So the story is about a King Arthur who died in his past life, and now he has reincarnated as a kid in the new world which have monsters, dragons, fantasy and magic involved in it. Arthur is a kid who have his past memories, knowledge and experience intact in it, and from that many people are scared of him, that what he can not do now but what he can accomplish in his future. This manhwa has a OP world building, and later it becomes very dark. So if you like a isekai in which there is very good character development, kingdom building and an OP MC with super cool powers, then this manhwa is for you. On number 2, it's Solo Leveling, and this manhwa is also getting an animation with 178 plus chapters. And I don't think I have to tell you about this manhwa because this is a starter pack for everyone, but maybe some newbies are sitting here. In start, the main MC is the weakest of all hunters. Hunters are the people who hunt the dungeons and collect goods from them, and dungeons are something which are appearing on the earth, and they all are classified into some ranks, and our MC is the lowest rank of all, and he can't even do a simple mission right now. And from an incident happened in the dungeon, our MC has got a cheat system from which he can level up, but other hunters can't level up a bit after their awakening. So now he's going to level up based on his name, Solo Leveling, and he's gonna explode. By not giving many spoilers, I will just tell you that this is the most famous manhwa ever, and if you've already read this, then what are your thoughts and suggestions about the last 2 chapters? Comment down below. And now the number 1, which is the most favorite manhwa of mine, and which have a very badass MC who don't give a fuck to the girls, and he kills on his own, and he's super cool, and you are gonna love it. I can guarantee that. I am talking about none other than the Magic Emperor, and it have many names, so you can find it: the Magic Emperor, the Demonic Emperor, etc, etc. In this we have a OP MC Zuo Yifan, who is feared by everyone, and now he is targeted by the strongest entities of the world for the treasure that he had in his possession. But he was betrayed and killed by his own disciple, and now he gets reincarnated into the body of a servant of a declining family, and now he can't go anywhere because that servant is having a spirit bond attached to the mistress, but he wants to come in the top of this world again. So that's why he will take that family with him and build an awesome clan which will be top on the world. And it's freaking awesome that the tricks he used, the knowledge he used from his past to gain very powerful subordinates and make his clan bigger and very powerful. So you are gonna love it, and I can guarantee that. So comment below if you like my list and what are your suggestions, and stay updated with me for some awesome Veep stuff, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram for some awesome otaku stuff. So bye.